Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Carl's Garage, and I'm making this video to let you guys know that I will now be accepting appointments. So now you can come to Flash Custom Transfers Carl's Garage, which is my main business website, but I carved out a section of it where you can not only get the handbook, but now you can request an appointment. And by requesting an appointment, it is definitely paid. Right? It does have to be paid for, but I'm getting a lot of emails and a lot of comments of people asking me the same questions that are actually in the book. So if you don't want to, or people are asking me like, hey, can you help me out? I'm having an issue with my car. I think I have an example right here where this guy, here we go, right here. Well, let's just go to my comments page. This person right here, as you guys can see on the screen, hello, I need help, please. Kind of in a time crunch, man. Please have your email. I have a 2015 Kia Soul. So I can't help everybody. I have a big business to run, which is right here, Flash Custom Transfers. That's why I created the book, and that's why I have all of these videos available for you guys on not just this channel, but also my Straight Outta Content channel, which is almost at 30,000 subscribers. So I have all of these videos that I take time out, plus lives that you guys can go and check out. And I got one guy right now keeps asking me the exact same question that's actually in the videos and in the book. So if you want my time, I do charge for it. And now you can come right here. I'll put the link in the description, fill out this information, hit submit. And once I get it, we can negotiate the time. Well, not negotiate. Yes, we can negotiate the time of when I am available. But I already have my set prices of how much I will be charging per half an hour block. So I'll be doing half an hour blocks because I can't take an hour out of my day because I've got a lot going on. But you will be able to schedule me and I will let you know, and then we can meet at that time, and then we can go over your specific issue. So everybody out here, all these people, Candy Rose Naw and all this other stuff, hi Carl, oh it's too bad, and all these other, I drove this and stuff like that. If you want to talk to me directly on a video call or something like that, and I help you out with your situation, there are no guarantees. You can now request an appointment. It's right here. Link will be in the description. All right, guys, be basic. Peace.